Welcome back to Template Tutorials, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create a beautiful invoice form like this. Alright, so without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, we have to go to the Insert tab, go to Picture, Shapes, we'll then click on the rectangle shape right here. So just come and draw it this way. So let's zoom out a little. Alright, so I'm just trying to increase the size so that it will fit well. So you can gently align it to the center. Alright, so with this, just right click on it and go to Format Shape. So you see the properties of it has appear at the right side of our screen here. So with the fill, give it no fill. So under the line, you come here, you have the width here, so you change it to 5. And you come and click on the color here and choose this color right here. Alright, so with this, let me close this one so I can zoom in. So we simply have to go to the Insert tab. We'll now start to insert text boxes here. So under the Insert tab, I have the text box here. Just click on it and click on Draw Text Box. So just click here to insert it. Alright, so with this, the outline, let's give it no outline, and the shape fill, we'll give it no fill. So inside here, we are going to type in invoice. So we select it all, come to the Home tab. So from here, the font of it, we'll choose this one. The size, let's try with 20 and see. Okay, let's make it 24. And the color, again, like I said, we'll choose this one. Alright, so I'll gently align it here. And then make a copy here. So I'll select all of this one and change the color to black. By here, I'm just going to reduce it to possibly. Alright, so let me try 14 and change here. Alright, so with this one. So here, I'm just going to remove it. So that will be the company name. Oops. So it's supposed to be this way. Company name. So I'll select it all. The layout there, I'm just going to reduce it to 0. So under here, we'll have another one, and that one will be the address. Next, we'll have another one, and that one will be the phone number. And lastly, we'll have the email. Alright, so I'm making a copy here. So here, I'm just coming to the top here, and here, I'll just change it to bill to. We'll have something like bill to. So let's change the color of it. So choose this color, and the size, let's make it 16. Alright, so I'll leave it this way. So with this cursor, you see the cursor here, I want to bring the cursor here. Alright, so I'm just going to double click here a couple of times to bring the cursor here. So we then move on to the design Insert tab and go to table. You are going to insert a table there. Alright, so I'll gently close this one in. And close this one in also as well. So in here, we are going to type in invoice number. So the first one will be the date. Alright, so I'll just select it all this way. So we come to the shading here and choose this color right here. So we are not stopping there, we are aligning all of it to the center. And also the font of it, we'll choose this one. And we'll also increase the size a little. Alright, I forgot about the color. Let's make it white. So we are not stopping there, we are just going to increase it a little. So the space will be a little bit better. Alright, so I'll close here also in a little. Alright, so let's bring this one to the top a little. Alright, so let me align it all. Alright, so now we want to bring the cursor here. So we are now going to insert another shape. So we're needing at most here we'll be needing at most 4 columns, but the rows doesn't matter. You can choose the number of rows that you want. So I'll increase spaces a little. Alright, so the first one, I'll select it, and the shading, I'll choose this color again. So the first one will be the name of the product. The second one will be the let's say the quantity. The third one will be the unit price, and the last one will be the total. So let's select it all like this, align it to the center, and choose the color white for it. And we'll also choose this font, make it bold, and make it 14. Alright, so it is select it again. So you see the way I'm selecting it. I'll just bring it here at the beginning of it and just click once to select it. So from here, I'm going to the layout here. You see the layout there, the before, it is 0. So I'm just going to change it to 3 so I can push it to the center. So let's do the same thing applies to this one. Give it 3. Alright, so here you can bring your cursor here to increase it a couple of times. So I'm just going to make a copy of this one down there. So I'll select it all this way. So I already have my text, so I'm simply just going to paste it in here. You see, we have a thank you for doing business with us. Visit us soon. So if you check, you can check the font. It is calibrate and the size is 14. So also it is aligned to the center. Alright, so like I said, you can increase this one number of times that you want. Alright, so let's zoom out and see how our invoice looks like. So as you can see, our invoice looks nicely fit and done. Thank you so much for watching. See you later in my next video.